Sully's Sicilian outdoor kitchen. How simple can it get? 3 buckets, all 5 gallons. They're all the same height. You can put a piece of wood across or your own induction wind blocking creation, which is the patent pending. Fold it this way, that way, all.
Scully can patent the cardboard box.
When you take your pan and your small one hilltop, all fits together in here, all folds back up like that. Coconut oil, always instead of oil.
I've been saying this for a whole year.
You're in the middle of a commercial right now.
Right, yeah,
Never stop. Okay. So
one guy from
this is what we use. Hello, we're in the middle of the commercial right now, William. So, always coconut oil is so organic. Also, spray, massage, tan, whatever you got, spray your pan. At the end of, I'd say, all of 5 minutes, slip it all away, fold it all up, put the pan in the backpack, down the road we go. Talking Sully's Sicilian rock bottom. Get out of here before sundown, clown. What's all around? What's all around?
You heard it here first on Frequency Horizon. Thanks, man. I'm gonna go check out those waves. I needed that. Uncle Sam's been on my ass today, so basically knew it was time to head down to somewhere I haven't been for a few days, Steamer Lane, and some time left on the day, just enough to, you know, take in this beautiful situation we got going here. It's a Monday, enough people out, just chilling out, hanging out. Waves don't really have much going on today, but you can always find something.
YouTube, Danny Sullivan and Frisbee. You'll find amazing games, amazing mother effer right here.